You ready? Go ahead.
Oh, it's headphones. Oh, it's headphones. Oh, you're not taking it.
What are they?
Hulk! Hulk headphones!
They're not just plain blue.
How appropriate.
Magic!
Turn it to look at the camera and cover it with her hand.
I opened it upside down like the other night.
Is that one of those bobbleheads that looks like the right size?
I bet.
It is.
Only a bobblehead.
Oh my gosh!
What are they called?
Pop
Seven
figures.
fingers.
Funkos.
Katniss? Again?
A different outfit.
A different Katniss, Pa.
That's her in the Mockingjay outfit.
Yay.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Now she has 3 Katnisses.
Yes.
Becomes large.
You just need the love
Oh, yes.
her girl on fire.
Yes.
A Dr.
Sophia, look what I got.
Oh my gosh!
A TARDIS what?
Funko. It's just bigger.
Clock?
No, it's the
Funko
same
Pop.
thing as
Oh.
They
the.
just make them bigger for bigger. Because like the one that for Hagrid is bigger than the ones for like Harry and Hermione.
What do you do with it?
It's like a little collector. Santa really likes taping these to the box.
Yeah, you just collect them. These are
Point
really.
box or anything like that?
Mother, I put my trash in there. I'm opening this. I am opening this.
I'm opening my
And all different size boxes for you. And that's Slytherin?
Yep.
You don't like Slytherin, do you?
I am a Slytherin.
Oh no, really?
Yeah.